Okay, so let's talk about this. This is the LifeVac travel kit. I have seen this over and over. I have put off getting it, and I don't know why. It's so silly to not have one. Hopefully I will never ever have to use this, right? I hope nobody does. But I had to buy one because it's so, I can't imagine needing it and not having it. So this is for incidences of choking, of which I, as an adult, have almost choked, and it is terrifying. And I was alone when it happened, so even more terrifying. It can literally happen to anyone. And if this works, if this helps, then there's just no reason not to have one. So it comes with instructions. It comes with the suction cup. I don't want to like get it dirty or anything. And it comes with two size mouthpieces, the adult and the pediatric. So the idea is to insert the mask and twist it, place the mask over nose and the mouth, holding chin upwards, and then the mask must be held firmly. Hold mask in place, pull handle upward with a short, swift tug. Okay, so again, I'm not a spokesperson for this brand. I've never used this. I hope that I will never have to use this, but I'm gonna stick it in my cupboard because I have two kids. And like I said, I myself have almost choked before, and it was awful, terrifying. I was very lucky that I was able to dislodge it on my own, but it could have been a very different situation. So I think this was like 80 bucks. It comes with both the adult and the child piece. It comes with a nice little zippered case for it. And I'm gonna show my husband where it is. And we're just gonna, hope and pray that we never have to use it, but if we need it, it's there. So I think everyone should have one. And I might even get another one and stick it in my car. I might get another one and send it to grandma's house, because these seem like, it's kind of like having a fire extinguisher under your sink. If you don't need it, great, but if you do need it, even better. So yeah, there you go.